Hey my friends, Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. Another daily price action, Forex price action setup video. So in this video we're just going to go through what's actually happening in the markets today, Thursday the 2nd of May. So I'm a bit late making the video today. We're doing a video for the US session today. Okay, and we're just going to start off as always on the US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, so yesterday we did have a nice day trade on this. It dropped nicely into this daily area here that caused this high, and we got the trade. Just move these up. Okay, so 1 second. Move that up there. Okay, so US dollar Japanese yen. So yesterday we got the bounce at this level here. It was a 4-hour inside a daily. Here touched it nicely and was okay, so this was the actual signal inside that 4-hour inside the daily. You actually see the 30-minute signal there, and I think this is round about when the MOMC was coming out. And you can see that the market was slowly dropped into the area coming up towards the news, and we get the signal from that here. So it was a nice trade in it last night, and you see a nice 50 pip move up to the first easy target, which was this low here. Popped up nicely. So that was a nice trade yesterday. Today, nothing on it today, coming into the US session. USD CAD, okay, similar story. Talked about this a couple of days ago. Come down into the daily zone yesterday, or the day before. It was the trade we were in. You can see, nice. Actually get a signal on the 4-hour chart here, continuation. So I'm liking this longer term to go to 136. Okay, and the signals here yesterday that got us into the market. Okay, so a nice setup yesterday that happened. A lot of pips made yesterday. You can always track my account over at my FX book. Next one is USD Swiss franc. Okay, so we've had this area here on the daily that's broke the trend. Okay, so this kind of rocket down broke the trend. You can see it pops down to test this area here that caused a high. So this was a sell trade we were in. The first easy target was hit for a short, and now it's possibly line up for a test of the area that broke the trend for a move back down. So it's a good trading setup. It's actually happened now that it's a trade that I'm in. Okay, so this is the daily area that caused the trend break. This one's been tested. So what I'm liking to happen here is comes back up. What's already done is test the area that broke the trend, 4-hour inside the daily, and as it's moving back down, take out this zone and start moving lower. Okay, and that goes with the kind of higher time frame range here. It's hit this weekly area here last week, and it's getting ready for a nice drop down by the looks of it. Okay, so it's a good setup to be possibly getting in now. And okay, so there was the signal. Didn't happen not that long ago. The 4-hour inside the daily. Here, there's the 4-hour, the daily, and 15-minute signal. MacBot took this on my VPS. We're in here, and you can see it's dropping nicely from that. So you could possibly still get in now. It's only If you're watching this video early, it's only 10 pips, so you possibly get into this setup early and to move down lower to take out this low here. Okay, so it actually broke out of that 4-hour zone there, and this here's looking like it's retesting the area that broke the trend, and another nice drop back down. Euro USD. Okay. A nice trade on it yesterday. See, it hit this daily area here. 4-hour inside the daily. Just took that area out and just came back down. Actually, see it can hit this 4-hour zone here. So and to move back up. Okay, so you can see the daily area that caused this low. This was the actual signal. As another daily zone come up to test, get the first easy target. Test this zone to move back down. You get the first test. Once the first test has happened, we delete the zone, and this could be moving up further to test these. You can see a trend line there, so possible more bullish action on the Euro USD. Yeah, it's already had this trade here, nothing on the daily. Euro Aussie. Let's go to the daily. Okay, so it's approaching this daily zone now. We've got a nice 4-hour zone here. Again, as always, want to learn how I'm trading, just head over to Udemy for one of the links below, and you can get my price action course, which teaches you how to trade and identify zones like this. Or you can just watch my videos every day and pick it up yourself. Okay, so this is a nice target here, a nice selling opportunity. So I'll be watching it maybe after the US session this evening or early Asian session tomorrow to look for a short opportunity on the Euro Aussie. So that's a trade for tomorrow. Euro Swiss franc. Okay, so we talked about this. We had the trade yesterday at this 4-hour zone, and it dropped down nicely from this trade we took live yesterday. Okay, so it's signal. Got a nice 40 pip drop there, so it was a nice drop off it today. Okay, so it's already tested this. I'm liking this to come back down. We'll see what happens today. Euro, British pound. Again, nothing on the daily. These are your daily zones here, and it's not anywhere near them. Euro CAD. Similar story. Okay. Euro Kiwi. Okay, this is this test here. This one liking. This here is, see, as it's swinging at new swing high, swing low to test this, new swing high. So I'm liking this go up with the 170. So a good short opportunity around 170 on it. Okay. British pound USD. Okay, another trade we talked about yesterday, and went deep into the daily zone. So it did, just hit this like zone deeper in the area here. There's like 2 zones on top of each other, but okay, and hit there and dropped nicely from there. See a nice 70-80 pip drop there. Let's see if there was a signal, and you can see the signal here. A lot of signals happening, approaching up in that zone. Okay, signals entered and initial plummet down of 50-60 pips. Okay, so you can see how this method works. It's very, very powerful and super simple. So we just identify a 4-hour inside a daily, and then take a signal, the version signal on the 15, 30, or 1 hour. And what we do, we load the MacBot and it does all the work for us. So we load the EA. Okay. Next, pound Aussie. We kind of classify this zone here, big zone here. That's been tested. Going ahead and test. So this is tested. This is tested, and we're looking for only ones that haven't been tested are the moves. So the daily, these have all been tested on the way up. Weekly, again, I'm still liking this to come to this area here. This is the monthly from the bread exit. So expect more bullish action on pound Aussie. Pound Swiss franc. Okay. So first touch of this area here in play. Nice sell trade today. 4 hour inside a daily here. And okay, you can see the signal just happened here yesterday off it inside that. Did pop up a little bit further, but all good. Today, nothing on it. It moved up a bit further, maybe look to sell it, but at the minute, nothing. Pound yen. Okay, so if you look at the daily, we're in this sort of sideways movement, so I expect this to move up to 146. See this here. It's holding the test, and you can see the signals down the bottom here in the 30-minute charts from a few days ago. Here, here, and here, bottom of that move to get us back up. So I expect this to go to 146 over the next few days. Maybe NFP tomorrow will bring that up. And this will be a good shorting opportunity up around 146, 147 area. Pound CAD. Again, nothing on it. Pound Kiwi. Okay, so inside of the weekly here. It's popped up there last night. Short term. So this is a nice possible shorting opportunity for a scalp today. Selling signal might have already happened. In the US session, okay, so the signals happened here already in this, so this is a good trade to get into if you're watching this early. And set this daily zone here. Your take profit is 1, so you've got a good 100 pip take profit there, around about 160, 196, and your stop loss will be above the daily zone here. Okay, above here. So if you've got the MacBot system, just simply load the MacBot and let it enter for you. So British Kiwi is a good setup today. Pound Aussie, it's dropped nicely back into this daily zone here. So could be seeing lower. I'm expecting a deeper move into this huge leg from the flash crash to huge wick. So I'm expecting this to go down a bit more. So nothing on it. Aussie CAD, similar story. It hasn't reached this daily area yet, which has already been tested. Aussie Swiss franc, nothing on it. Aussie Kiwi. Okay, so it's looking to get starting to take off from this daily zone here. So we'll see if this holds. It's the trade from this week. Aussie Yen. Okay, this zone's been tested, so I expect a deeper move down. Nothing on it today. Kiwi USD. Okay, it's dropping nicely into this weekly zone here, and had a nice trade there yesterday off this. You can see this daily zone here caused this low and a nice drop off it. So the trade we did talk about, and you can see how it works. 4 hour inside the daily with a lot of 1 hour signals, and that would have landed you a nice 70 pips, which is a good move down on the Kiwi USD. Okay, Kiwi Yen, again nothing on it today. I'm expecting a deeper move maybe to test this. This has been tested. Deeper move down to here that hasn't been tested yet on the daily. Okay, so that will do us for today. Hope this video helps. A few setups there. Just watch it a few times. If you need any help, just let me know at will@xaus.com. Don't forget to subscribe or comment in below the video for anything you need. If you want to access the MacBot system, simply click the link below. And yeah, happy trading, and I shall see you tomorrow for tomorrow's price action, Forex price action setups. Okay, thanks for watching. will@xaus.com.